If you travel a lot or live in a small space, or maybe you just hate waiting for clothes to dry naturally, this little portable dryer is actually really handy.
It arrives really neatly packaged, and it's a nice and compact design. The setup is pretty straightforward, and the overall design feels more modern than the typical bulky portable dryers. One of the biggest benefits is how quickly this sets up. You can easily hang it up temporarily when you need it, then store everything away afterward without dedicating permanent space for it. It holds way more clothes than I expected for the size. You can fit multiple smaller garments inside at once, which makes it useful for travel laundry, baby clothes, gym clothes, or smaller everyday loads. I'm showing it here with a full-size adult t-shirt, a baby t-shirt, and a pair of children's swim trunks. Plus, it runs surprisingly quiet, so it's not something that's going to be overly loud or annoying in your space. That makes it much easier to use in apartments, dorms, hotels, or even overnight. And the airflow circulates evenly through the bag, and clothes come out feeling dry without needing a giant machine setup. It took this particular load about an hour to dry. It's really the kind of thing that makes sense for smaller living spaces or travel because it does store away so easily once you're done using it. And the global voltage compatibility is also nice for travel, especially if you move around a lot or travel internationally and want something more compact for handling laundry.
So if you want something lightweight, compact, and easy for smaller laundry loads without needing a full-size dryer, this is a really convenient option.